Hi, good evening everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about applications of definite integrals. So in this section, in your course 1331, only you have to learn about one application. It is that how we can find the income of oil company. That is the basic application you have to learn in this section. So for that you have to use indefinite integral. Also, yeah, you have to learn about area under curves. It is also application of definite integrals, and secondly this is the application of definite integrals related to business and economics, this field. So now let's move to our last section. Actually this is the last section of our course 1331. It is continuous income streams. So here we discuss about the story of oil company. So an oil company's profit depend on the amount of oil that can be pumped from a well. So when we need to estimate or calculate the income of oil company, it depends on the amount of oil that can be pumped from the well. So it is very important. Thus we can consider a pump of an oil field producing a continuous stream income. So we consider this pumping process as a continuous stream of income. So to denote this continuous stream of income, we use a function ft. It's the annual rate of income from this pump. So especially this function ft is very important. For our future process we use this function ft. It is called the annual rate of income from the pump. This is the formula. So we can calculate the total income by taking the integral in between 0 and k. This is our income stream function dt. So here special thing is k is in years. As an example, if we need to calculate in between 6 years, so k becomes 6. If we need to calculate the income for 10 years, k becomes 10. In another problem it can be asked calculate the income between 2 and 4 years. So your lower limit is 2 and k becomes 4. So like this way you have to adjust the given problem according to given data. So this is the formula you have to use to calculate the total income. Now let's look at an example. So this is the problem. A small oil company considers the continuous pumping of oil from a well as continuous income stream with its annual rate of flow at time t is given by f of t is equal to 600 times e to the power negative 0.2 times t. So in thousands of dollars per year, find an estimate of the total income from this well over the next 10 years. So you have to calculate the estimate of total income from this well for next 10 years. So now intuitionally you can think that our lower limit is 0 and our k or our upper limit is 10. So you have to do this integration between 0 and 10. Our function is f of t times dt. So let's go to our next page. You can see it. So total income, we use our given formula between 0 and k, so we can replace k by 10. ft is the income stream function, so we substitute it, then we have to calculate. So by using the knowledge of definite integrals you can calculate this value. So finally it becomes 2594. Thus the total income is approximately, we have to calculate this 2594 by $1,000. So this is the final result. So thank you everyone. This is the end of our section 1331.